Hello everyone, dear friends, and in this video I really want to put AI trading to the test on the BinoDex platform. That is, today for the first time in a video I won't be doing anything other than talking. So today we will give the AI trading about $1,000 and see what comes of it. Oh, and before starting this video I'll say that I have my own team. Together with my team we trade daily, twice a day on weekdays and once a day on weekends. I post all reports on trading sessions in my Telegram channel. The link to it will be in the comments under this video. And also quite recently we started a challenge where we are going from $500 to $225,000. If you want to join this challenge, you can simply follow the link in the comments under this video. Write to me something like, "Hi, I want to join your team," and I will add you completely for free. So the link to my Telegram channel will be in the comments under this video. Also recently you can connect to me via copy trading. If you want to connect, just write to me like, "Hi, I want to connect to your copy trading. I can't make it to your trading sessions." I'll connect you and that's it. There won't be any problems. All links will be in the comments under this video, including the link to BinoDex, and we are starting. So in order to test AI trading, we click right here. Here we need to set the settings. In the previous video where I did a review of the update on BinoDex, I set conservative settings. I think it's safest to set conservative settings. I won't set it to medium or aggressive, so we will continue with the conservative setting as well. We will also leave it on a fixed amount, which means we are sticking to a fixed amount per trade. Let's go ahead and make it $100 for today, and we will also set a stop balance trigger for when my account balance drops down to $19,000. And that's it. Let's begin. I'm very curious to see what will come of this. Let's press start and let's go. So let's wait and see where our AI trading on BinoDex will open the first trade. We should have some first trade appear here on a currency pair now. Well, as we can see, the artificial intelligence is currently analyzing the market. And there we go, our first trade has opened. It typically opens for a window of about 10 minutes. To be more specific, when you decide to choose the conservative trading mode, the artificial intelligence system opens trades for a period of about 8 to 10 minutes, which is roughly the expected duration for that particular setting. And here it opened a trade for a decrease. Let's take a look, analyze the chart and see if it's correct to open a trade for a decrease here. Well, let's see. So we can see that the price was going up until a certain point. Here it hit a resistance level, let's mark it, and after that it started to reverse downwards. There was some accumulation here, and now the price has continued its downward movement again. Let's mark the accumulation here, meaning the price wasn't moving either up or down, and after this point, the price continued its downward movement again. Our trade is opened from this moment. And let me fast forward the time by 9 minutes and see how this trade closes. So, while I was watching TikToks, just scrolling, not doing anything, there are about 30 seconds left until the end of the first trade, and it will most likely be a loss. That is to say, initially the price trended downward, and then a distinct double top pattern began to form on the chart. Then the price bounced back up again. Okay, and for the first trade it will most likely be a loss. There are about 13 seconds left until this trade closes. Let's wait to see how it closes and then move on to the second trade and analyze the chart there. So the first trade is a loss. Unfortunately, we lost $100, the price continued to move upwards. Let's move on now to look at another trade opened by our AI trading system and see exactly how things are going with that position. There are 6 minutes left until the end of this trade. Artificial intelligence opened a trade here for an increase. And now, let's take a moment to see why the AI trading system decided to open a trade here for an increase. Overall, the trend here is upward. Perhaps it opened a trade for an increase based on the fact that there is a support level here from which the price is reacting. Let's mark it. Or rather, it's not actually a level, but more of a distinct zone. So let's go ahead and mark it like this on the map. This is exactly how it goes when you are navigating through here, right? So this is a zone from which the price reacts by going up. AI trading has apparently opened a trade right here for an increase, clearly anticipating that the price will continue to rise from this specific area. Let's take a closer look now. Let's zoom in on the chart. Here the price is of course hovering right around our trade entry line, and we have about 3 minutes left until this trade finally closes. But I honestly think this trade will most likely close in profit because the price really only reacts to the upside from this area, which is a very positive sign. Therefore, I strongly believe that in about 3 minutes we will see the price go up, and the artificial intelligence has also opened a second trade for us right here. I don't quite remember the exact duration it opened it for, but it's roughly 8 to 9 minutes. So we have 4 minutes left until this trade closes. For this very first trade, we can clearly see that the price is going down. Right. Well, looking back at it, it seems to me that perhaps I was slightly wrong in thinking that this trade would be a win. However, maybe the second one will turn out to be a win, because right now the price is clearly reacting to the upside from this area. Here, if we observe that the price has trended downward, formed a clear accumulation phase and then dipped again, I strongly believe the price will eventually reach a specific support level in this area and begin to reverse. This trade of ours will only close in profit if the price manages to, well, in how much time? In exactly 3 minutes, cross this line. But honestly, looking at the current momentum, it is quite uncertain. I really don't know if it will actually make it or not. It is going to be a very close call. For now, most likely one loss was 100%. That is, we have already lost $100. Most likely we are also going to end up with a loss on this trade, because I honestly doubt that the price will manage to rise above this area anytime soon. And for the third trade, well, there are only 3 minutes left on the clock. Well, honestly, I'm not quite sure. I really don't know. Perhaps the price, well, you see, it is even already breaking through our zone from which the price is going upwards. And most likely we will also have a loss on the third trade. So for now, our experiment will be unsuccessful. Perhaps I will release a few videos in which I will test out several different styles of AI trading. That is, in this video we are using a conservative one, and in the next one I will use a normal, that is a medium level. And perhaps this week I will also record a video where I will test an aggressive trading style. So for now, with this specific trading style, we have unfortunately already encountered 2 losses. To put this in perspective, in the previous video where I reviewed the latest update on BinoDex, we actually secured 2 wins using AI trading. However, so far in this current video, we have already faced 2 losses and we have lost $200. And most likely we are going to lose $300 in total, because we will also almost certainly have a loss on this current trade simply because the price continues to move downwards. But let's just wait a little longer until our artificial intelligence opens up 2 more trades, and then we will wrap up this video. Because of course, I really don't want to risk losing $1,000 on this. So that's why, as you can see, it has just opened another trade for 12 minutes. Let us just wait for this current trade to close now, and right after that we will see exactly what happens with this trade. So there are about 44 seconds left until this trade finally closes. That is to say, in this video this is the second to last trade, and there will be just one more after this, and then we will see all of their results. So for now we have 2 losses. Most likely there will be a third loss on this trade, and I don't know what will happen with the new trade that the artificial intelligence has opened. So now we are waiting for this trade to close and moving on to this one. So we see that the price has started to reverse, but naturally it won't have time to go up in 4 seconds. Right. And for the third trade we have a loss. So I've already lost $300. This video isn't going very well. I don't particularly like it. Yeah. So let's take a closer look at what we have with this specific trade setup. Now overall we clearly had a strong downward trend. Here a solid support level has formed from which the price will most likely continue to bounce and go up. Let's see how this plays out. So we can clearly see that this specific area has formed. Maybe let's even go ahead and mark it a little bit higher up. So it's sitting somewhere like roughly right about here, or perhaps even just a little bit higher than that. So to give you an idea, it goes something like this. Okay, and most likely the artificial intelligence has opened a trade for an increase right in this specific zone, that is the exact one from which the price is currently reacting upwards. Well, I'm going to go watch some TikToks for a bit now, and I'll be back in about 9 minutes and we'll see the final results of our trade. So there are only 30 seconds left until our last trade closes, and of course it's looking like it's closing very, very close. Whoa, it's possible it will close in the green for us. I don't know for sure if it will close in the green because the price is moving quite volatilely today. But right now there are only 10 seconds remaining until our current trade officially closes out. So let's watch this closely and see what happens. 4, 3, 2, 1. Of course it's a very dangerous situation and our trade closes in the green. So while I was watching TikToks, the artificial intelligence opened another trade, and for some reason it closed earlier than this one. It closed in the red. Our last trade closed in the green, and so out of 5 trades, one of ours closed in the green. Let's take a look. Over the course of this video, we opened 5 trades. In the previous video where I reviewed this feature, we opened 2 trades. So for this video, we opened 7 trades in total. The total cumulative amount of all the trades was $520. Out of those specific positions, 1 trade closed in today's video and we earned $175. In total, we had 4 losing trades where we lost money and only 1 closed with a profit. We will wrap up this video here for now. In the next upcoming video, I will be testing a medium trading style. Let's see what comes of it. Well, in this video, we ended up with a loss. That is, we lost, well, about $400. There you go. We are ending the video here. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave comments. The link to my Telegram channel will be in the comments under this video. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave comments, and bye bye everyone.